Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. Alright, I have a very useful tutorial for you all today as far as your enhancements for your systems here, right? We're going to talk about how to manually cache to get higher resolution. Folks, this is a game changer. Seriously, if you're even, no matter how strong your computer is, whether you have the highest processor and the biggest graphics card, and you wonder why am I still getting these pauses as I'm trying to land my aircraft on my runway at my airport. Well, folks, that's dealing with the internet, folks, because it has to download data, right? We're going to talk about now how to manually cache, to put all that into your computer so you don't have to chase for it over the internet to download when you arrive at your airports. That's a game changer, folks. We're going to cover that on this tutorial right now, and we're going to use Miami as an example. So let's just get right in and go ahead and show y'all how to exercise that and make it happen to better your experience here on Flight Sim. So folks, let's go ahead and all right, so let's go to options. All right, general options. All right, and what we want to choose from here is data. Go to the data, right? And at the bottom of data, you'll see where it says manual cache. That's what you want to click on, right? View that. But let's just look at something here, folks. Under Bing Data World Graphics, if this is off, you're not going to see manual cache at the bottom. It's going to be grayed out. So importantly, make sure that Bing Data World Graphics is on, right? And then go into your manual cache, view it. And this is where all the difference is made at, folks. Go in here. All right, so let's use Miami as an example, right? Let's get into Miami. Let's do a search for Miami. Let's find Miami Airport. Let's find it. Miami. Click on that, and boom, voila! It completely launches us to Miami. Right now, Miami has a lot of areas that you can enhance the scenery here in Miami, right? Big time. So at the airport here, there's a couple things we need to do here. There's levels to choose from, low, medium, or high resolution, right? So let's before we do anything, make sure you have your amount of cache that you want to reserve to use. Right now I'm showing 50, right? 50 gigs is what I want to reserve to use for my maximum overall cache size, right? Now you see available, I got 713 gigs still available that I haven't touched yet. So this is just breezing across that one. So anyhow, let's go ahead and create our new region, cache new region. Boom. All right, there we go. Now again, we are over Miami as such here, right? And get the paint tool guide there, pan, just to hold, left mouse button to pan. Paint is the right click and go over it, whatever. This cache quality, folks. Once we start coming further out of the airport, watch that cache quantity change to the right. Boom. Now, so far out now, we can start establishing a low quality for a bigger regional area. So yeah, we want all the stuff outside of Miami lower quality, right? So we're going to right click and just drag over Miami. We know Miami's right there in the center, right? And we're going to keep that all as low. Let's start slowly scrolling in, and then boom, medium pops up on us, right? Okay, well, what do we want for medium here? We want, I don't know, something closer to the airport medium. Right click and drag that coverage over that area that you want a medium resolution, right? We want to get a little further out in the peninsula there as well too. Okay, cool. Now scroll in a little more, and high should be coming up on us here, right? Bam, there's high. Sweet. We really want the area around the airport to be high resolution. All of this stuff here, especially for your arrival too, you want that to look nice, right? Right click it. That's it, folks. Just right click it, drag, and capture those areas. We're back to medium because we scrolled out a little bit. There we go. Now we're back to high because we scrolled back in closer. So on these grids, just right click and drag, and it should capture and change all this to high once you capture drag. Boom. Just like that, right? come on over here and let's get the rest of this. I want all this to be high. Oops, so remember every time we scroll out, we change the resolution quality. Now we're back to high here. We want to keep it close and capture the high and pull that data. Boom. Okay, we want it to be high as well too. And this is part of my arrival here. That'll be coming down. I want that to be high as well too. Sweet. And what about, yeah, I really like the path of my arrival being high. You know what I mean? Like in the case I'm arriving in this way too, I want that resolution to look really nice, y'all. I want that to be high as well. I know that's gonna be like the more high you get, the more I will tell you it's gonna use more memory, folks. So I think we are in a good place here. So let's scroll out. You'll see we got low on outskirts, medium, midway there, and the high really dead set closer to our runway. Anything that's really at closest to our runway, we want that high quality, right? That's it. We can label it, name it the way we want to name it. Region, new region 3. Nah, I just want to say KMIA for Miami, right? That's what I want to label it as. Finish and download. And let's just let it do its thing now. There it is. And off is going. There it is. All right, folks, it looks like we're finished our download. As you see, Miami, you see I got a few regions here to the right. But you see, Miami is done. And it cost me 5 gigs, almost 6 gigs from what I did. I'm going to tell you, the main reason why it's almost 6 gigs is because the biggest amount of memory capture is that middle point, the high. So a lot of times, try to get that closest to the proximate areas that you want to capture and not make it so widespread. It'll minimize the amount of memory that it needs, right? That's the most of the memory is utilized from the high. So folks, that right there, give it a try, give it a shot. And I tell you, it's gonna make a world of difference. Let's go ahead and just go into Miami now, and let's see how Miami loads in here. Let me go ahead and give that a try here, because that right there is like, it's already there. The load in, like when you arrive in, like I said, into the airport, it's gonna be less burdensome on your PC, you know. All right, folks, we are live. All right, we have Miami. Let's check it out. Let's see what it offers here. Okay, I already see some looks of brilliance already popping on this. On this runway already. All right, so let's just get outside. We're just gonna get outside and just start looking around here, folks. Let's get our drone up. Let's get our drone. Let's get our drone active, and let's get around this. Let's see. ID, and it's so much more smoother, you know. Wow, it's really smooth. Yeah, and look at the colors. The colors are great. Normally you get hesitation from the downloads from the internet. It's not doing any of that right now. All of this right now is captured already in your cache. You know what I'm saying? So that makes it better. Let's go ahead and just go a little fast forward here out to the coast. Remember, we extended that high quality all the way out here, right? As we get a little lower, you can start seeing the how things are enhanced so much from what we just did. Again, there's no pauses, there's no jumps, there's no stuttering. It's just smooth, folks. Look at that. Wow. Well, if I'd known this sooner, I would have done this sooner. But for all you all out there, if you want that steady, photogenic type view here, that's really cinematic, I guess you could say. Just do exactly what we did as far as caching this stuff into your memory, right? And everything is just enhancing and updating into the sim, as you can see, that's taking place here more and more. But yo, that looks really good. Looks really good. Let's get a little higher on our elevation here to see how far it extends out. Right? There you go. There you go. Yeah, that looks really great, y'all. And we're gonna kind of high speed it there to the city, and let's just kick things in gear here. Our drone speed and get it way up so we can just kind of jump out there quickly to see this part. Yo, like look at here. Wow, that looks good. That looks really good. Yeah, that looks great. That looks good. All right, so no hesitation at all. No hesitation at all. Good, good, good capture into the. I want to move it fast anyway, like this, so I can see any jumps or any pauses. There's none. There's none, folks. And as you land your aircraft, this contributes to your smooth landing, folks. This helps you with your landing when you have this cache into your memory. So you don't have to worry about the internet anymore, right? Look at that. How did you smooth so fast, y'all? Great, huh? Good stuff, y'all. Good stuff. And it would take the drone as if we were landing in Miami right now at such a high speed, right? And let me just see what it's going to give me here. Normally I'm pausing and pausing and updating and pausing and pausing and updating and pausing, and I tell you, it's not doing it. It's not doing. Oop, 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 oop. I jumped down too low there. But it's really really smooth, y'all. So much more smoother than what I had here. And boom, there's airport without any hesitation on your landing, right? So you imagine that, right? There you go. Just want to bring that to you all. Hey, listen, go ahead and run with this here, folks. Make it happen. And enhance your experience here. And hey, come see us on a few of our streams, folks. We are almost streaming daily of just about doing live content. If not, at least every other day we're doing live content. But come visit us, folks. And keep it safe, folks. Keep it flying out here. Take care.